Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today we're going to teach you how to make your Twitter account secure by enabling two-step verification. First, to do that, log into your Twitter account. In this page there are lots of options. On the left hand side of your screen you can see all the options like notification, messages, saved content, your profile, and the option with three dots after your profile. You have to click on that and click on settings and privacy. On this screen in account section there is security option. Click on that and click on login verification. This is two-step verification on Twitter, so you have to check this box to enable two-step verification on Twitter. Click on this. To enable two-step verification in Twitter, your email ID must be verified. So if you haven't verified your email ID, please verify it. After that, you'll be shown this screen where there is information about login verification and how it works. So you can read on all this and click on Start. Now here you have to enter your Twitter password. Now Twitter is trying to send you a verification code on your phone number which is associated with your Twitter account. So click on send code. Now you'll receive a text from Twitter with the verification code on it. So check the message and enter the verification code in here. And click on submit. It's done. Your two-step verification in Twitter is completed. I hope you learned how to enable two-step verification in Twitter. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.